Welcome back, Dreamers, and today I'm going to show you the back lawn, see how it's going as it's moving back into spring. Put some fertiliser in there, give it a little bit of love. We'll do a check-in on the front. Once we've got those pop-up sprinklers in, we'll see how green that's getting out there, how nice it's coming back. And I'll even show you how the transformation's going over there at the Billabong. Can't wait, let's get into it. So first up, we're going to get the sprayer rig out, as you can see here behind us, get some fertiliser on. And when we talk about making our own fertiliser and picking our NPK, we're not just randomly putting numbers into a spreadsheet. NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, the three most important macronutrients required by plants. These elements play vital roles in various aspects of plant growth, development and overall health. Nitrogen is responsible for promoting green and lush growth. It is a necessary component for the production of amino acids, proteins and chlorophyll, which are essentially for photosynthesis. Phosphorus is crucial for the energy transfer within cells, aiding in the formation of roots, flowers, fruits and seeds. It also helps in the proper utilisation of sugars and other key nutrients. Potassium plays a vital role in maintaining overall plant health. It enhances disease resistance, improves water and nutrient uptake, and supports the development of strong stems, lush leaves and vibrant flowers. Achieving the right balance of NPK is crucial for optimal plant growth and productivity. Farmers and gardeners must analyse the soil and apply fertilisers accordingly to provide the correct amount of each nutrient. So by creating an NPK ratio with more nitrogen, we're promoting a more green and lush growth. Similarly, if we increase the potassium, we're increasing plant health and strong growth. Today, our NPK is going to be 18, 1 and 10, and this is to push some vigorous growth as the weather is starting to warm up. Righto, so that's going to give it a really good boost. We'll probably put some water on this tomorrow, get it washed in and get a nice deep watering into those roots. All right, let's take you out the front. Let's show you how that's going. Well, as you can see, this is really coming along. It's been really dry here. We got a small storm late last week, got about 25 mils out of that. Other than that, it's just been the sprinklers that we've been putting on here. A little bit of fertiliser as well. So it's still got a fair way to go, but it's looking remarkably better than it was when we first put those sprinklers in. So there's still a little bit of work to do out here. Those old olive tree stumps will be coming out just so it's all lawn through there. We'll fix up the passion fruit over on the fence. The far one is really old, so it's died off, so we'll get a new plant in there and get it growing. And the area over here where the flowers are, we just put flowers in there because it was an old mound that was there. It's really clay soil, so we're going to end up levelling that out and getting rid of that. So it's out the front here, it's just going to be nice flat turf. So we'll get our spray rig out now, and we'll give this a nice hit of fertiliser. Following that, we'll take you over to the Billabong and show you how the edge transformation is going. Well folks, this is the next day after we've applied that fertiliser. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this has already started to really pop. The green's intensified and it's looking a lot brighter. So we'll keep working on this, and I reckon maybe in a couple of weeks this is going to be absolutely magnificent out here. Now for my home brew fans, we have had a little bit of a hiccup with our brew fridge that's gone down. But don't worry, we'll be back real shortly with some awesome recipes to share with you. The projects will keep coming here at Billabong View, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, you're getting all the notifications, and we'll see you next time, Billabong Views.